Hello everyone. We all use Microsoft Excel in the office. Most of you know that Google has got a same sort of software. It's called Google Spreadsheet that you can use to create your spreadsheets. If you have Google account, you can go to drive.google.com and create a blank spreadsheet. If you don't, you can create a free Google account. The best thing is those spreadsheets that you create in Google Docs or Google Drive, you can download on your computer and then you can open them in Microsoft Excel. The reason I'm recording this video is to show a demo of the new feature that Google launched, where you can ask questions from your spreadsheets in a natural English language. Say I don't know the formulas and I want to know, like, say I have a spreadsheet with all the months and expenses and I want to know what's the sum of all the expenses. You can use some formula. If you don't know some formula, you can ask Google. I want to know what's the average of all the expenses. Want to know what's the minimum, maximum. All these things we can do without even entering the formula. So let's take an example. Say I have got this spreadsheet. First one is month, first column, second column is expenses. So say we are doing for last year, January, February, sorry, it was a leap year, so say 29th, let's do. And then like this, and expenses we'll just put random values. To put the random value, I will just use the random function, random between, putting lower limit and upper limit. I got these random values, drag it down, copy, paste special as values. Let's make it to look like more real example. Format it. Okay, say I want to know the total expense for the whole year. Most of us know, like, we can use the sum formula, or we can use this auto sum function to calculate the total expense. So you can use the sum formula, sum equals sum, and then select all these cells. That's the total expense. But the best thing, the reason I'm recording this video is to show like how we can achieve all these results without even entering the formulas. So the new feature in Google Spreadsheet, the bottom right corner, explore icon. The shortcut is Alt, Shift and X, and then click there and say I want to know average of all the expenses. Click this button. It says average is 5,183 and 25 pence. I want to know total expenses. Yeah, that's the total expense. And I can even see the formula as well, like what's the formula Google has used. Some formula. Want to know what's the formula Google used for average formula. Click, copy it. I want to know average expense, average monthly expense. I'll just make this column little wide. So paste the formula you copied, or you can drag it. It's simple. Hold it and drag it. Very simple. Want to know which month we spent maximum? So month with maximum expense. Press enter. It says, yeah, in April we spent maximum amount. What's the month with minimum expense? Type. Google will say, oh, that's the June where we spent minimum. So yeah, also if you see, Google also created a graph for us as well. In beginning we can drag that graph into our spreadsheet as well. And once you have done all these things, you can download this spreadsheets they download as a Microsoft Excel file on your computer, and then you can use in Microsoft Excel. So in this way you can get the formulas from Google and then you can use in your spreadsheets in Microsoft Excel. Thanks very much.